Hello, adventure seekers. Today, we're diving into the Lodge Cast Iron Wanderlust series, Cabin Combo Cooker, a versatile 3.2-quart marvel that's perfect for your outdoor escapades. Seasoned with 100% natural vegetable oil, this cast iron cookware offers unparalleled heat retention and even heating, making it your go-to for searing, sautéing, baking, broiling, braising, frying, or grilling. Whether you're sizzling breakfast, searing steaks, or simmering a roast, this combo cooker fuels your crowd's outdoor adventures with ease. Its clever design allows it to act as a deep skillet or Dutch oven, while the lid transforms into a shallow skillet or griddle, maximizing your cooking space. Proudly made in the USA, this functional and collectible piece is perfect for embracing your inner wanderlust. So, gear up and let the Lodge Cast Iron Wanderlust series be your trusty companion on your next culinary journey. Don't just cook, create unforgettable outdoor experiences with every meal. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.